As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the Charbroil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Genesis E-435. Big price difference, huh?
Oh yeah, the Weber is definitely in a different league price-wise. What are you hoping to get out of a new grill?
Well, I don't need anything huge. The Charbroil is only $139 and has 280 square inches of cooking space. Perfect for just me and the wife.
Right. The Weber's a beast at $1,399, but you get a massive 4,168 square centimeters of cooking area. That's like enough for a whole party. Plus, it has 4 burners.
4 burners? That's probably overkill for me. The Charbroil has a side burner though, which is nice for sauces.
The Weber also has a side burner, but it's really about the Weber crafted system. You can swap out the grates for different cooking surfaces, like a pizza stone or wok.
Interesting. The Charbroil has porcelain-coated wire grates. Easy to clean, I guess. What are the Weber's grates made of?
The Weber boasts porcelain enameled cast iron, which holds heat really well. Also, the Weber has an extra-large sear zone.
Sear zone, fancy. What about size? The Charbroil is pretty compact.
The Weber is much bigger and heavier, like 220 pounds. The Charbroil only weighs 37.5 pounds.
Yeah, that makes a difference. I'd have to assemble both, right?
Yep, both require assembly. Oh, and the Weber has a grill locker for storing tools and grillware. Pretty neat.
That is cool, but honestly, I'm leaning towards the Charbroil. It seems like a good basic grill for the price and will fit my needs.
Definitely a solid choice if you're on a budget and don't need all the bells and whistles. The Weber is for someone who's serious about grilling and wants ultimate flexibility, but it's a major investment.
Exactly. I think I'll stick with the Charbroil. Thanks for the help.
No problem. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.